Okay, now we go inside to the touch screen. Power. Start. IT. Okay, this is Chinese and English. Okay, we go inside. Now, here it is operation interface. Okay, first we need to see here. You see here. Here have two model. One is pressure working model. Another is we call the distance model. Okay, so now we change it to the pressure here. Now the machine work in pressure model. Okay, and now here my foot touch the brake button. Okay, the tooling will close to the end, and now here on the pressure gauge you can see the pressure is 10 kg. Okay, we use the pressure unit kg. Okay, now it is not 10, maybe more than 10. Okay, and behind this there is one blue button. Okay, you can see this blue button. This side is increase, this side is reduce. Okay, at the same time your foot touch the brake button. Okay, and then use your hand to adjust the button. If you want to add the pressure, then turn this side. Okay, turn this side, and you see I add more. Okay, then you will see more. Okay, here you see the pressure already add more than the older pressure. Okay, if you want to reduce the pressure, then turn to this side. Okay, okay, now you see the pressure is less. Okay, no matter you add the pressure or reduce the pressure, your foot must touch the button always. Then you can make the adjustment. Okay, through this way you can adjust the pressure. Okay, go inside the English model. Okay, here parameter sets. It is means data sets. Okay, we go inside, and for the machine head, we set the original position in the vertical. Okay, and if you touch this horizontal, you see the machine head will change to horizontal. Okay, if we power off the machine, again and open it, it will go to vertical again, because the default, the original position is vertical position. Okay, we can try. Now I power it off. Okay, and open it. You see the machine head will go back to vertical, because the original we set the original position is vertical. So when you start the machine, it will go to vertical again. Okay,
它这个还能调节日期，把那个